Hello everybody and welcome back to the Crown Lounge. So what we got going on is the continuation of the Japanese inspired drinks for this week while I'm in Japan. And we're going to do this Japanese sour, or the version of a Japanese sour using Japanese whiskey. It has everything a sour has, pretty much lemon. You have your lemon, and we're going to use some yuzu juice. Can't find fresh yuzus. They're citrus like lemon and limes. You find them in Asia, but this is off of Amazon. Fine. And for the sweetener, it is it's like a Japanese molasses. It's called kuromitsu. Kuromitsu. I know I'm not saying it right, and all this is in Japanese. But yeah, so it's like a thinner molasses. So it has that same taste profile as molasses. And then we're going to just pretty it up with some bitters. The bitters aren't really for taste, they're just for looks. But anywho, first thing first, we're going to do this in a shaker because it's a sour, right? Because with a sour, with egg whites, you want to dry shake it first to get the foam before you add your ice. So we want to shake it, not stir it, to get that good texture that we're looking for. So first, we're going to go with 2 ounces of Japanese whiskey. And I'm going to use this to measure because it has the ounce ticks in the inside of it. All right, so next we want to do 1/2 ounce of egg whites. And I already cracked it and put it in there, and it's real egg whites. Next, we want to do 1/4 ounce of a lemon juice. And then we want to do another 1/4 ounce of the yuzu or izu juice, just 1/4 ounce. Next, we want to do 1/3 ounce of our Japanese molasses. And if you don't want to go on Amazon and order this, just use molasses. It works. So we're going to do 1/3 ounce of this kuromitsu. I know I'm not saying it right, but what else is due? Just 1/3 ounce. All right, we want to give this a good shake. A good dry shake. Because we're trying to get the texture to form with the egg whites before we add ice. Ooh, I like that. That came out perfect. Now you want to add some ice to get a good chill. Shake again. We got some Coupe glass because we're getting fancy. I'm going to double strain this to help it form better. Oh yeah, that's pretty right there. So the bitters are really for the garnish, right? So you want to just do about 5 drops each. And they didn't come out how I thought it was. It didn't drop well. So Angostura or Peychaud bitters, but I think I need a dropper. But anywho, I'm not really in the presentation. I'm in the drinking. So you can pretty it up how you want to pretty it up, if you want to pretty it up. But it looks good. It looks really good. All right, let's see how well this compares to a whiskey sour, normal one. I don't know if I'm going to be able to find these in Japan or not, but I'm going to ask. Anyway, don't forget to like, follow, and share. Until next time, cheers.